because when I say good evening, you did not say no. That's why I don't want to lose my, what do you call, words. So I will see once or twice. Later I cannot reply. Correct? Come in. Now we'll move to the further. So anyhow, we'll move to the further. Good evening and good afternoon is not important. But all the days I used to say, but all of a sudden last class, no response. So we'll see once. After that, why should I say? Correct? Fine. So let us go to the last topic I'm discussing, regular expressions as we planned on the last week. Regular expressions in Python. It's a very, very important topic. Most important topic, students. So this will take 2 days, but I'll discuss third day also. And let me talk about what is this regular expression is. Let me write index, students. Index. So there I am talking about purpose of regular expression. Purpose of regular expression. I'll explain. Second, I'll go to definition of regular expression. Definition of regular expression. And next we'll talk about applications of regular expressions. Applications of regular expressions. Next we'll talk about module name. Module name for developing programs by using regular expressions, which is known as RE. RE stands for what? Regular expression. What is the module name for regular expression here? RE. Like threading, socket, like that. RE. Now next, functions in RE module. Functions in RE module. There I will talk about the multiple functions. Next, followed by programming examples. This is a first day agenda. Of course, today I will discuss that. If time permits, I'll go to the next also. Programmer defined, programmer defined, programmer defined character classes. Programmer defined character classes, followed by programming examples. Programming examples. Next, we'll talk about predefined character classes. Predefined character classes. We'll talk about, next I'm talking about programming examples. Programming examples. Next, quantifiers. Quantifiers I'm going to talk. Quantifiers. Followed by programming examples. Quantifiers in regular expressions. We'll talk about. These are very important. And the next, after completion of these separate things, I'll go for combined examples of combined programming examples on predefined programmer, comma what, predefined character classes and quantifiers This is a examples I'm going to discuss completely. Okay, this is a topic name of regular expressions. Let me talk about what is the regular expressions importance. Why we go for regular expressions. It is the most important topic, students. It is there in Java. It is there in JavaScript. You completed JavaScript now? Completed JavaScript? Explained up? Regular expressions explained? Explained or not explained? Explained up? Okay, good. Now next, it is there even in C++ also. It is there even in C#.NET also. Next, it is there in today what? Python. I'm talking about the Python. In Python also they are available. So in Python, we are going to discuss about this regular expressions. So coming to the regular expressions in Python. So let me start with what is the use of regular expressions in Python? Or not only in Python, everywhere else we can use it. Now the first point I would like to say, The regular expressions, regular expressions is one of the programming language independent concept. It is not a concept of C, C++, Java, .NET, etc. It is a independent concept. It is one of the independent concept, independent concept, independent concept used for, used for, used for data validation purpose. Used for what purpose? Data validation purpose. Data validation purpose. Already we validate. Two levels are there to validate the data. One is data validation. We did with what? Exceptions. Do you remember? With exceptions you can do. One more way you can do with what? Regular expressions. Whichever you feel convenient, you can go for it. But this regular expressions code is little smaller compared to what? Exception handling. So data validation is always most important in real-time projects. That's why exception handling plus and exception handling and regular expressions, both of them are used for what? Data validation, and makes the application robust. And makes the application robust. Robust means what? Strong. Robust means strong. So the regular expressions concept implemented in such a good important topic, such a beautiful important topic implemented. The regular expressions concept implemented in Python, implemented in Python by using implemented in Python, and whose whose related functions, whose related functions are available available in RE module. What is the module name? RE module. The regular expressions concept implemented in Python whose related functions are available in RE module. So definitely when we are developing data validations using regular expressions in Python, we must import which module? RE module. So to develop data validation applications, data validation related programs, related programs by using regular expressions, regular expressions, we use, we must import which module? RE module. So you know RE module, what is its purpose and all those things, we are entering into that. And after finishing that, we are talking about applications of regular expressions. Applications of regular expressions, I am going to talk about it. Let me enter into the applications of regular expressions one by one. I will explain. So it's very simple, students, not a difficult. It is the most easiest part. I will tell you around 35 formulas. I will tell you those formulas. I don't know whether you learned these things in JavaScript or not, but they are very popular concept in real-time projects. So I'll tell you those many formulas. Try to follow. First thing, regular expressions are used in develop used in development of, let's wait, go to the Python environment once. Who will compile the Python program? Who will compile the Python program? PVM. ఎందుక మీరు వేస్ట్ అసలు, మీరంతా వేస్ట్ అసలు. Offline students who said that answer, waste. Go to 6 p.m. Go to 6 p.m. features of Python. మీరంతా వేస్ట్ అసలు. Go to the interpretation, diagrammatic representation of interpretation. Open with, see that what is happening here. Who will compile the Python program? Python compiler. మీరు ఇది చెప్తున్నారు. Immediately they will ask who is your faculty. మీరు నా పేరు చెప్తారు కంపల్సరీగా. Did I say that? ఎందుకు మీరు చదువుకోరు? So Python compiler will compile the program line by line. That will generate the bytecode. Bytecode will be read by PVM. I already said in the class. Here I explained also for you. So interpretation based programming. I said already here. When we execute the Python program, two processes will take place: compilation process, execution process. In compilation process, source code submitted to Python compiler, already written. Execution phase PVM will come into picture. And you are saying today most shocking answer. Course అయిపోతుంది ఒక 3 days లో. So regular expressions are used in development of. Now I'm going to look into like this. A is equal to 10, B is equal to something like 2, C is equal to what you know. I'm writing wrong syntax. A plus only I wrote it. That means when I wrote plus, when I write plus, the plus operator having some rule. That rule was already available in Python compiler. Before executing the statement, that rules are already framed in the compilers, because compilers are looking for errors of the syntaxes. Those rules are nothing but validation of my expressions. Such a data validation, such a type of statements validation done by Python compiler. Python compiler contains some set of rules. Those rules are called regular expression rules. Those rules are designed with what? Regular expression rules. So see the error. What is an error is coming? What error will come? Syntax error. Syntax errors are catched by whom? Python compiler. Compiler కాదు, Python compiler. మాట్లాడితే తప్పే. When you open your mouth, wrong. So check it your capacity. Next, A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20. Space C is equal to A plus B. It is an indentation error because I am giving some space. This also caught by whom? Python compiler. This also syntax error. These are all called what errors? Syntax errors. Syntax errors. Syntax errors are caught by whom? Compilers. So compilers are containing some rules for validating your statements. So development of language compilers. Language compilers. And what next? Interpreters. Interpreters. Language compilers as well as interpreters. C language compiler you take it. C++ compiler you take it. Java compiler you take it. And Python compilers you take. Any language compilers in the software field, all the compilers are containing regular expressions. For what? Syntax verification. Syntax to verify, already compilers are having some rules are already kept it. Such rules are called what? Regular expression rules. So regular expressions are used in development of language compilers and interpreter. That's why we are getting errors are showing for us. Next, regular expressions are used in development of next I'm going to write it, universal protocols. Universal protocols. For universal protocols means what protocol you are using? HTTP. Something like when you go to your place, when you go to this mail, Gmail, you go to that place. When I go to this place here, writing like this, and I'll enter my username. I'm entering my password here. When I go to here I will go to this place. Here I'm going to take it. The protocol is using in this place is called HTTP is using. I'll say compose, for example. What the compose is taking here? 2. 2 means what I should give compulsory? Destination mail ID I need to give. And I need to give what? Subject. And later I will go for what? Attachment. For example, I'm going to do attachment. So I need to fill up what? Recipient. And I need to give subject. And I need to do some typing work. Or if you don't type it, you go for some attachment. I'll go for some attachment. For example, list is my document. I want to go for it. It is a 7K capacity. It is attached. Now I'm saying send. The protocol called HTTP. What is the protocol definition? Set of rules. This is what people says. These rules are for what? Communication rules are designed. This communication rules will contain what? When you are going to send, it is going to check what? Recipient value. Plus it is going to check what? Subject. If subject value is called what? Optional. I may not have. Subject is optional to give, but recipient value is compulsory, but I did not give. I'm just saying send. It will give you immediately error. See that it is giving error. Please specify at least one recipient. This is the rule of what HTTP protocol will tell us. That means HTTP protocol already it contains some rules. What are the rules? It should contain two address. It contains subject. It must contain some text or some attachment. Then only the data can be transmitted. Are you following me? Here, what is the plus is missing right side variable? Plus is missing right side variable. Here this protocol is missing programmer or a person missing what? Recipient address. So it is going to give you which one? Error. This is called what? Validation part of my mail sending. Composing the mail, validating. Is it a validation or not? Such a validation is actually designed earlier by using what? Regular expressions. Regular expression, nothing. A blueprint which is already present, according to the blueprint, it starts working. So I'm going to conclude my sentences. Coming to that, universal protocols, development of universal protocol. Protocols are nothing but what? Rules. Rules and regulations. Those rules are called data validation rules. Such rules are designed with what? Regular expressions. Next, I will use it. One more, I will use it. Regular expressions are used in development of operating systems. OS, operating systems. Go to the place. When I go to this place, here I'm going to take this now. Here I'm going to take up. Run as an administrator. I'll go to my place, caviar, and say Python and 6 p.m. And I'll say next is called what networks or something like CD files. If I go there, I'm going to go for it. Inside of that, now I'm saying dir star dot py. What is the meaning of star dot py? All. This indicates some sort of quantifiers. All py files are going to come. All py files. Star dot py means all sorts of things. But star is called what? One type of regular expressions values. I'll explain that are called quantifiers. Next, I'm going to say, here I'm going to take up. Here I'm going to take up. Students in online, try to follow carefully, students. Here I'm going to write it. Here I'm writing emp dot emp. I'm saying emp star dot py. What is the meaning of emp star? It must starts with what? Emp. And after emp, it can contain emp pick, emp unpick, etc. It is going to print what? Emp first one. But rest of them after that, emp pick, emp unpick, like that I want. Anything. That is also called what? Listing out starting with this. This is also called what? One sort of command development by starting with, and they are already using what? Star symbol, question mark symbol. So many I will use it. In operating system, searching mechanism, in sorting mechanisms, all the places we are using what? Regular expressions. Next, let me tell you one more thing. Regular expressions are used in development of electronic circuits. Electronic circuits. Electronic circuits. In your ECE background, any kind of procedure, any kind of electronic circuitry mechanism, some procedure will be there or not? This connection should connect over there. This connection should connect over there. Some connective mechanisms are there. Connectivity mechanism. Electronic students unnara ikkada? Any electronic students? So electronic procedure will be there or not? Physics experiment you take it. Physics experiment, at least in intermediate. BTech is already gone, that you will leave it. So at least in intermediate level, physics, there you have some sort of circuitry procedure. Circuitry procedure, at least tan A position, tan B position, if you know in intermediate. Of course, you did not do any practicals, I think so. Only standing in front of the device, only that people has given the marks, correct? అంతే కదా మీకు ఇవన్నీ చెప్పినా కూడా వేస్టే. But in our time, when we are in intermediate, we have to go to other college. From our college, other college. Our stars will not come. And to that college, other faculties will come. They will ask, they will give compulsory question. You have to do compulsory. Values also correct should come. Otherwise, fail. Nowadays, any intermediate students you take, they will just stand up in front of the device. Automatically, things will go because everything is money. Money more, subject less. So, your future generation, send all of you to government schools. Okay? Okay, now. First, me job రావాలి కదా first. So, regular expressions are used in development of what? Electronic circuits. Who compiled the Python program అంటే PVM అని చెప్తున్నారు మీరు. That is the most dangerous. Right? Rohini Saxena, one student is there. She is the faculty in engineering college. She is one of the faculty having 13 years of experience. She is attending my Python class. Beginning, she said she felt that she is a Java faculty actually. She felt that she know more. First 2 days she is talking because of beginning days they don't know about things. She is talking, sir, this is possible in Java. Most Java words are there. I'm a Java expert. I opened Java once. First direct attack is given. She said something and I shown immediately is a blunder. That day she come to know what is the power of Java. So she saying, so today she said, sir, I'm improving lot of things. I asked her direct question. Before my class, what is your talent in teaching? She said, -1. -1. 13 years onwards, people suffered or not? 13 years means what happens? How many BTech students over 13 years onwards? How many BTech people suffered? And I did not say all these things. I'm just sharing with you. So that's why you don't become faculty, become software engineer only. Syntax error means error will come. Something means something will come. So don't become doctor, don't become faculty. You become software engineer only. To become software engineer, you need to read the notes. Come on. Regular expressions are used in development of electronic circuit. That electronic circuits procedure actually designed in software field with certain type of connectivity procedures. That are the programmatic rules are designed. If that rules are satisfied, then only values will come. Otherwise, values will not come. Another example I will give you, last and final. 2 plus 3 into 4. What is an answer? Is it 10 or 12? 10 or 12? 12. How? Star is having more priority, we say, right or not? That means compiler is giving, the execution environment is giving. So for 12 or 14? 14. 14. So PVM is giving more priority for what? Star. That means already PVM don't know this is a star or something. About the star, already they written some code. Already some validation code is written. That's why it is evaluated first. Later this is added. Are you following? This type of evaluation of expressions also comes under what? Budma's rule development also comes under what? Regular expressions only. Electronic circuits. Next I am going to write it. Regular expressions are used in evaluation of expressions. Evaluation of what? Expressions. Evaluation of expressions. Are able to follow? Evaluation of expressions. Next, I'll write it. Regular expressions are used in development of what? Patterns, pattern matchings. Pattern matchings. So, pattern matchings people are using. What do you mean by pattern matching? See carefully. This is the notepad or edit plus. Go to that search. Search option is there or not? Find. What is my option here? Regular expression, I am going to use it. This is my statement, I want to search it. This is my regular expressions, is my word. I want to search. Say what? Somebody is asking, this is my document. How many times regular expression is available? Click on the find. Find. First time showing or not? Next, click on find. Next, click on find. Next, click on find. Next, click on find. Find like this. This is known as what? Pattern matching. This is my document. I am asking how many times regular expression word is there. At which index that regular expression word is found. I have 1,000 pages MS Word document is there. In that word, how many times the word Python is available? How do you write it? By using what? I can write with the normal coding of Python also, but with regular expression, it is only 2 lines I can write it. Are you following this? This is a most important concept called what? Pattern matching. Are you able to follow this pattern matching? So did you understand the importance of this? So coming to these are the applications of what? Regular expressions. Now I want to tell you definition of regular expression. A definition of regular expression I want to tell you. Definition of regular expression. So definition of what? Regular expression I am going to talk. See, it's very easy. So coming to the definition of regular expression. Anybody else? Definition of regular expression. Very long back, 6 to 7 years back, when I was teaching Java on Java faculty, definition of regular expression is saying what it was, by listening that myself also felt very much guilty for it. Why? Being a faculty, such type of definitions will make the students to spoil. Data type. Type of data is called a data type. Your 22 years education. Data structure. Structure of data is called data structure. If two answers they said like this, any other question is coming, you will say your own definition like that only, correct? Regular expression, do you know what that faculty has given? A regular expression is one which is regular. That time, I was eating something. The moment when I heard about this, I felt that something inconvenient in my body. What is this definition? Regular expression is one which is regular. What is that? And the students are writing regular. And do you know what example is giving? This type of example. This type of example. C is equal to A plus B. A is equal to 10. B is equal to 2. C is equal to A plus B. Like that. This is called a regular expression is saying. Is it regular expression now? What is that? Or an arithmetic expression. And still if you go to DSA level, data structures and algorithms, it is called infix. Infix. That can be converted into what? Prefix. And this is called postfix. This is A plus B. This is not converted by the processor, cannot evaluate like that. That will be converted into what? Plus AB and AB plus. These are prefix and postfix. This type of conversions will be done in where? A data structure called stack. Stack data structure. Stack data, LIFO, FIFO, college level, that is all blenders. Nothing, zero level that is. If you go to any company, any of the NITs, IITs, etc., DSA is the main topic they will look into. And later they will come to Python or Java or .NET, they will look into later. Once you know DSA, they will train you automatically bigger companies. Why big companies will go to NIT, IIT, IIITs, etc., much popular universities? They think that they have good students. They are equal to you only, but they worked very hard in their intermediate level. That's why they are getting ranks, correct or not? Otherwise, programming, both of them are same, yourself and that guy. That's what I'm saying from beginning onwards. Read well, practice well, read daily, I said, and you are not doing that. Come to the point of it. So here somebody is asking, Giridharan, can we learn DSA after Python, or we need to learn DSA and C only? C students, DSA is a subject you can implement in C, you can implement in C++, you can implement in Java, you can implement even with Python also, no problem. And these many ways you can implement. In these many ways you can implement. Are you following that? In these many ways you can develop it. So if you know C language well, you try to develop. If you know C++ well, you develop it. If you know Java well, you develop it. If you know Python well, you develop it. It is just like what? You want to write a official letter for municipal commissioner saying that water problem in your colony. Letter you want to write. That letter you can write it in where? That letter you can write it in where? Telugu, Hindi, and Marathi, English, and Kannada. Letter is same. Subject is called what? DSA. The letter. How do you write it? Whichever language you are perfect, you can develop it. That is the point. Okay, now come to the point of it. Now I'll move to the further. Regular expression definition I'm going to say. Look at that first example I'm giving, one small example. And one small question also I want to ask you. Small question before answering that. I don't know whether you have general knowledge or not. This is my question. Do you know swan? Swan, bird, Hamsa. You know? Don't know. Have you seen? It is in which color? White in color. It is in white in color. You know? So, I'll just show you. మీకు తెలియకపోతే చూపిస్తున్నావు సార్. Swan, bird. This one. This one. Are you following? Okay. Now, come to the point back. The swan drink what? Milk. Good. Milk. So, what is the regular expression of swan? Drinking milk is a rule of swan. Correct? So, swan formula is what? Drinking milk. And this is a swan. You kept in one bowl. You kept in one bowl. Milk you kept. Milk. Milk you kept. In milk, what is there? Come on. Water plus milk is also there. When I was going, around 2 years back, one milk vendor is going in our area, just near to our area, going on the road. Early, because morning class when I am coming, is having some cans on the scooter and he put one place stop. And near on the roadside, some taps are there, right? He put something, put it inside of that milk. He is mixing lot of water. I felt that this is called cheating or not. And those people, customers don't know that he is doing. Which water he is keeping also we don't know. So like that, everywhere else wrong only. Like you say, who is compiling the Python program? PVM. He like mixing water in the milk only. When I say good evening, not saying good evening, it's called all called losing. Okay, students, come on to the point. Because if we go on doing everything good, it's not correct, but everybody should think like, okay, milk. Swan will take what? Only milk. After that, it's completed. Here, what is left out? Water is left out. So this milk, this bowl is called what? Data. This bowl is called a data present inside. What is the regular expression it has? Drinking milk. So this will search only in the milk particles only. It will. This is my given data. With my regular expression, I am searching only for milk. I will take out and remaining data I am not taking. Like that, I am going to write it on a small example. S is equal to A $9 K P capital R at the rate 6 H capital U 3 capital P and the next Q. Next is called what you know X. Next is called H 8 and some special symbol and something like you know capital R, small r like that I am having. Are you following me? So this is my given data. Now I am asking first question. Find all capital letters. Find all capital letters. Find all capital letters. Find all capital letters. Print it. I can do with normal Python programming also. But with a normal Python program, it takes 4 to 5 lines of code. With a regular expression, I can do it in one line. Which is a better? Regular expression is a better. Second question is find all alphabets. Find all alphabets. All alphabets I want. For that, I need to prepare one formula. Next, third one is what? Find all special symbols. Find all special symbols. Special symbols I want to find out. Next, the fourth one I want to do what? Find all, find all something like numbers. That is called digits. I want to find the digits. Are you following? Find all vowels. Find all consonants. Like that I want to find out. So to find this entire thing, one formula to be taken or not? That formula I am designing to search in the given data. This is called what? Given data. This is a given data. In the given data, I must prepare. I must prepare what? I must prepare search pattern. I must prepare what? Search pattern I will prepare. What is a search pattern? A search pattern is the one which I will prepare based on the subject. I'll tell you how to prepare search pattern techniques. A search pattern, a regular expression is one of the search pattern, which is, what is the search pattern combination? Search pattern combination can be alphabets. First of all, what are you searching, students? You tell me. In any subject, what are you searching? Text data you are searching. Text means what? Alphabets. You are searching next what? Digits. That is the numbers. Next, what are you searching? Special symbols. Are you searching where is my subject? Where I forget it? Will you search? Will you search? You will know manually subject is there in the notes, which is not there in the brain. Why? We never look at the book now. We will look at always WhatsApp only. Correct? Now, openly speaking, correct or not? When you look at the book 3 times in a day, you'll get a lot of points. So, search pattern is a combination of what? Alphabets. Next, what is that? Digits. And what next? Special symbols. Special symbols. In any language you take it, search pattern is a combination of what? Alphabets, digits, special symbols. Search in where? Given data. Finding in where? Given data. Matching with what? Given data. To find my desired result. This is my desired result. For that, I should prepare what? Search pattern. Which is searching in where? Which is matching with what? Which is finding in where? Given data. And I will get which result? Desired result. That is the definition of what? Regular expression. What is a regular expression? A regular expression is one of the search pattern. Search pattern, very, very important. A regular expression is one of the search pattern, which is a combination of, alphabets, digits, and a special symbol. The total concept is there inside the definition only, students. First question, they will ask you what is the regular expression. If you say a regular expression is one which is regular, they'll say, okay, regularly, they will say, we'll call you later. No more questions. Because student, they will, in the interview, student capacity can come, your capacity will smell out within 1 minute. If I'm there, by looking at you, I can smell out what you are. By looking at you. First question, total scanned, total bottom to top, total scanned. What is your talent? What is the regular expression? A regular expression is a search pattern. In your English only, people can identify you. Who are you? Some people will speak more good English. Subject is zero. Called counselors. Of course, I'm not criticizing. Everything is that. Subject is zero. English is good. You need to have much programming skills. Not, this is what I'm saying. A regular expression is one, which is a regular expression is one of the search pattern, which is a combination of alphabets, digits, and special symbols. Special symbols. Come on, what is the next? Special symbols. I'm going to take up special symbols, which is used to search, which is used to find, or what? match or search in where given data and obtains desired result, desired result, desired result. మనకు కావాల్సినటువంటి అవుట్పుట్ desired result by preparing the search pattern that I will search in where given data and obtains what desired result. Best example, I will go to the shop to buy the dress. Before going to buy the dress, you will have something in your brain or not? This dress I want to buy. Girls, you will have something in your mind. That dress only you will look for, correct? Already you have search pattern in your brain. You will look at for so many dresses are there. You will look at for that dress only. Correct or not? Correct or not? When you go to any saloon, cutting saloon, you will go with certain hairstyle and you will look for that hairstyle only, even though there are so many hairstyles are there. Correct? That type of things are, don't tell all these things in interview. This definition you need to tell. When you go to a hotel, there are a lot of dishes are there. You already prepared what to eat. What to eat is there in the brain, that is called your search pattern that you are applying on the so many dishes and you are getting your desired result. Correct? So that is known as what? Search pattern, regular expression. Is the definition clear or not clear? Online students, is the definition is clear? Only Srinu Babu is very good student. He is saying the definition. Other students are not responding. So this is the definition of regular expression. Clear or not clear? Now I am entering into the further. This example, so many examples I will tell you. So many formulas I will tell you first. Any interview if you go, that formulas they will ask you. Today you don't know what is the formula. But if I explain that formulas, few formulas if I explain now, you will get every subject, you will get completely. You take any student and they don't know what is the regular expression concept. Now let us start with, already you heard some people already attended regular expression concept in JavaScript or something. You already got it? Already you know? And no, I'm not asking anything. I will explain beyond their level. They explained only LKG level. I'm explaining intermediate job level. I will explain that you follow me. So, Giridharan, sir, may I ask who created regular expression? Even I don't know. Even I don't know. So, instead of worrying about who developed that, we worry about how much knowledge we get it. Who created universe? What is the first human being name? First human being name? Don't know. So, like that, you don't think like that. If you started thinking like that now, so many problems will come. Who ate first mango? These are all not things, right? Okay. Come to the point of it. Are you able to follow, students? Now I am entering into the further example. I will go for it. Now I am going to enter into the example. Let me save this part and further I will go to the example. Directly I am going to the example. Go to 6 p.m. I will take up regular expressions. In this notes, I'll go for that. In this place, I'll save my part index. So this I will take up. This is done. Index of regular expression also I will save it. In the same place, I will go to this 6 p.m. regular expressions in this and I'll write index. So coming to the point back, now I'm entering into example here. Shall I? Let's go. File, new. I am talking about module name for development of regular expressions. My next step towards this, to achieve my regular expression definition perfectly, I need to start with what? Module name. Module name. Here I am writing module name for development of module name for dealing with what? Regular expressions. Regular expressions. Regular expressions. Now I'm going to discuss about this. Module name dealing for regular expressions. What is the module name I said just now? RE. RE. So Coming to this. Hmm? Coming to this. Pooja, sir, you wrote boss on Java. What is this? BOOS on Java or Python? Books. Okay. Pooja, you asked some, sir, you wrote books on Java or Python. Actually, I'm against to reading books, students. Why? Actually, books, okay. In our academics, we read books, so that is okay, different story. Actually, when we come to Python and Java, we should not read the books. Textbooks we should not read. Why? Suppose take Python. The Python book is releasing in 2024. Is not containing Python 3.12 version will not be there. 3.12 will not be there. This book is released in 2024. That author has started writing that book in 2020 only. In 2020, what was there? Python 3.8 was there. If you see that book, 2020 3.8 old features only will be available. That's why when you come to Java, Python, and etc., don't don't read the textbooks. Read always original source. Okay, now fine. Okay, ma. So coming to the point of it. So that's what, ma. Puja. That was the old notes. Myself only said, na. My notes was there in Amazon. That was our old notes. That was really giving sweet memories for me. Amazon, I published one book. It was very sweet memories for me. It's really greatest part, all those things. So that book is also becoming old, Java old version books, that is. So that part, even I shown you in the demo sessions also, no? Beginning I shown you, no? Not shown. It is there already. So here if we go to that, so that's not necessary now. So KV Rao, Java notes, Java notes. Here it is available. Amazon, go to the place. This is the notes, it is available. When I was in Java, that was the notes. So that was the notes. Fine, students. In 2014, very big sales for them. So come to the point. And wherever you go, it is my notes only. Everywhere else, my notes. KV Java notes, inches makes champions. Okay. Let it be, students. Come to the point. So now I am going to introduce the coding now. Let us go to this place. Now here. Now here I am going to say, Mayank, who decides the price? See, whether X% decides price or Y% decides the price. What is our price? If they give our price, let them decide their price. We don't bother. If they match our expectation, no problem. Otherwise, we never go. Okay, let it be, students. Come to the point. Subject important. So now I'm going to introduce first program, regular expression 1.py. Regular expression 1.py. Now I am taking S is equal to, given data is equal to, I am writing Python is an OOP language. Python is also functional language. Functional language. This is my given data. Small example, LKG example. Now I am asking how many times the word Python is available. Count the number of times Python is available. How do you do with normal Python? Generally, normal Python, how do you do? I'm asking. Hmm? With a normal Python code, how do you do? I'm asking. Huh? First convert into, how do you convert into list? By using, okay, split off, you are saying. Okay, I will go. Who said split off? Who said split off? Okay, you said. Let us take S is equal to the data, I will bring it. This data. This data I will bring it. Okay. So you are thinking split. Okay. So you think two Pythons will come, correct? You are thinking two Pythons will come. Later you will write what? Yes, LST dot count of what? Python you will say. So that it will come like this. Two you are filling. Now see. LST is equal to yes dot split off. Split off. Now print off what? LST. See what will be the output you are getting. What is happening? Python is 1 and you are getting lang.python you are getting. You are thinking that Python 2 times Python is coming. Later you will apply lst.count of Python 2 you will get it. Like that you are thinking, correct? But am I getting 2 times Python? Then what you will do? Later what I will do? That you don't know. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Now I am writing LST of 4 dot what? Split off dot I am saying. Dot I am saying. You are getting there. Are you following that? Now I am writing what I am writing what this part I'm going to take up because these are all called complicated logics. LST of what I'm saying 0, 1, 2, 3, fourth place, I'm writing x of 0. X of 0. You see LST here, print LST, you are getting lang. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth place, I'm writing fifth place. I'm writing here fifth place. LST of 5, I'm writing x of 1. You are getting like that. Print of LST, Python is also coming. Later I will write LST dot count of, you are writing Python here. You are writing Python here. That time only I'm getting 2. Definitely some more complicated logic is there or not? That is what is called a little complicated knowledge. By using normal Python program, I can do it. I can do it, but you cannot do. Why? You already said split, problem came. Later I gave some idea. Now you understood that. But if that is coming in interview point of view, what we need to do? Instead of going for normal coding, you can go for what? Regular expression, you can use it. Now I'm going to introduce. What is the first one I'm introducing? Look at. I'm using, there is a function name. What is my search pattern here? What is my search pattern here? Python. There are a lot of examples I'm telling. Just only beginning I am introducing. SP, my search pattern is Python. My GD is what? That sentence. I will use function name called first time find all. Spell out find all. What it looks for, search pattern, comma, GD. Search pattern, comma, GD. What you want to search, you write it. Where you want to search it, write it. 2 arguments it will take. Search pattern, comma, what? GD. The find all function will search the search pattern in the entire GD and pick out that value wherever it is. How many times it is finding, it returns. And this find all belongs to module called what? RE. This find all returns all the search pattern values where it find, how many times it will find. In terms of LST, it will come. LST, it will come. Print of what? LST, comma what? Type of LST. What is the answer is coming? Come on. I'm writing there. Go to the regular expressions. I'm saving this. Let us coming to the command prompt. I'm writing that. Okay, important all those things I'll take care, students. CD, regular expressions here. And see this now. Go to this place. Import what? RE. Try to run this now. PY, see students, PY. I'll go to this regular expression 1.py. Regular expression 1.py. Am I getting Python or not? So here I will write simply what? Number of times my Python is available. I can say len of what? LST. Len of LST. Am I getting that 2 times or not? Which one is writing? Previous logic is better. This logic is better. This logic is better. Are you following me? So what is the find all function is doing? Find all function search for the search pattern in the entire given data and pick up that search patterns, how many times it is available in the form of what? LST. Getting up? Now I am writing here and I am writing and is present in how many places? Come on, one. That is a wrong answer. And 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 మీరు అందుకనే మీరు డేంజర్ అని చెప్తా ఉంటాను నేను అప్పుడు. You are looking for but there is an like this. How many places? Three places. Print of what? LST. Print of LST. Execute it. See students. How many times? Three times. But you will say in interview one time only. They will think he is not suitable to my company. Startup what asal తీసుకోడు మేము. Startup person will not take. Why? In startup, you only has to do everything. In big companies, they will not, they may take it. In startup, they won't look at because you only need to prepare the curries cutting, curries tasting, and serving. Everything you only need to do. In MNCs, what will be there? One person will do different jobs. Are you following? To improve your subject greatly, startups are better for you. They will ask a lot of content over there. Are you getting what I'm talking? So if I write Python here, what it is looking for? Search me. Tell me what it is now. Python is find all function is giving all the values. To print the data, now I'm going to say for value in where? LST, print of what? Well, print of well, print of well. So execute it. Try to run this now. Python 2 times available. How do you print that? Here you can say print of what? Print of what? Number of times. Number of times. Or I can say times found. I can write dot format of len of lst comma what? sp. Are you following me? Try to execute. What is coming? 2 times Python found. I'll write what here? I'll write what here? And I will write it. And I will write it. What is this and? 3 times and found. And found. This is I will write it. Something like this I will write. Here I will write KVR. Here I will write KVR. KVR not found anytime. 0 times KVR found. Are you following this? So, what is the first function you got it? Find all. Find all is used for searching one search pattern in the entire given data and it all pick up the number of places where is that search is successful. Are you following me? How do you know that search is successful or not? If my length of LST is 0, search is unsuccessful. LST is more than 0, I found the result. Are you following me? Suppose you take an example of what? Operating system, you searching. Searching is there or not? When you go to this place, here you see search is there or not? Search feature. Search feature is there or not? You are entering something. The operating system searching for that in the entire computer. And finally gives no search results. No search results means they written already. Find all they written. If find all returns what? A list. List does not contain anything. Length is 0. Then saying what? No results found. Mobile you take it. In your contact list, searching for some name. Guido Van Rossum phone number. Do you have? What is coming? No results. No results means what? Find all. It is applicable for everything. No data found. And it is going to give 0 results found or not? Like that. It is going to be like this. Try to get students. Are you following me? Find all clear? Next, regular expression 2.py. Regular expression 2.py. Another example I am going to enter. See students, I will go to this place. Here I will write Python only. Python only I will write it. And moreover, I will write small Python, I will write it. Small Python. But we are having first capital letter is there or not? You see that it is a case sensitive. I already said 0 times Python is found because I said is a capital here. And I will write small p here for example, small p. One time Python is found. One time Python found. Able to get it? So finally, you understood what find all will do. My intention is find all to tell you. Did you understand? Well, go to the place. Online students, did you understand this example? Let us go to the next function I am introducing. Next function I am introducing, Python. Let us coming now. Expression2.py. Expression2.py. So expression2.py. Online students, RE, Python. Now I want to search for Python only first match occurrence. Only for first match occurrence. In my class, some student named Praveen is available. There are 10 Praveens are there. I'll say bring one Praveen. If I say bring all Praveens means I will apply what? Find all. I'll say what? Only one Praveen you bring it. What they will apply? First occurrence matching. Asking Praveen. One student first only occurred. That student will come out. Rest of the Praveens will not search. That is called what? First match occurrence only. For that you need to go for re dot what? Search. Search function I am going to use it. What is that? SP comma GD. Search pattern and then GD. If search pattern present in GD multiple times, but it gives you what? First occurrence only it will give you. So it is going to give you the result. The result is going to come. Sir, what is the result? For example, see students, KVR I am writing. Is the search function search for a KVR in this place or not? Yes. Do you found this KVR here? No. That time search will return in result what? None. N-O-N-E. N-O-N-E means what? No such results found. This is called search is unsuccessful. Understand? So print the data, print of result comma, type of what? Result I am saying. Try to do this now. How simple it is. Execute, go to this place and see students, save this and execute. PY, see students, what is that called? None and then what? None type. So search function returns what? None in the case of value not found. Next, be careful. I am writing here what? Python. RE dot search of SP comma GD. Search pattern comma GD. The search pattern Python searching in this GD value found. Find or not? At the time of finding that first occurrence, it is returning Python. Good. It is also returning, this is a value found student. It will also gives you span. Span means what? From where, which index to which index it was found. 0, 5. 5 will not come, 6 will come. Because you know already 0 to 6 minus 1. In fifth also letter is there. 0 to 6 means what? 6 minus 0. 6 letters are there in Python now. 0 to 6 means what? 0 to 6 minus 1 places my Python is available. That also will give you. Span means what? From which is starting index to which is ending index, this Python is available. And totally 6 characters. Span from 0 to 6 minus 1. Are you getting? This complete details will come. Will be kept into one object. That object is called today what? Result. That object type is class re dot match. Re dot match. Match is a class. Match is a class. None is a value. None type is a class. Match is a class which contains what? The value which is matched and plus it will give you the span. The first occurrence starting index, first starting value index and end index plus 1 it will give you. Print this result. See the result now. Execute and see the result. What is this now? Re dot match object. Span 0 to 6. Matched value is what? What is the class name? re.match. Important. Sir, how to print this value, sir? How to print this value, sir? How to print this value, sir? To print this starting index, there is a function name called start. Start off. To print this end value, there is a function name called end of. To print this value, which is matched here, there is a function name called a group of. Group of. These three functions are present in as an instance functions in which class? Match class, instance functions. What is an object of match class here? Result, no? How do you print? Result dot start, result dot what? End, result dot group of. These three functions are present in where? Match class. How do you print that now? I'm going to take up. What is this now? Here, tell me. Result is an object of which type? None type or match class object type. Match class object. Here I am writing. What is that now? If, tell me, result not equal to none. Result not equal to none means what type? Match type. You print it. What is this now? Start index is equal to dot format of what? Result dot what? Start. Result dot start. Are you following me? Next I am writing print. What is this now? Here I am writing end index is equal to result dot what? End of. Result dot end of. Next I'm going to talk about what is this now? Value. Value is equal to start dot what? Group of. Group of. Group. Group of. It is in the case of what? Search is successful. Here I will write it. Search is successful. So I'm going to write it. Search is successful. Search is successful, students. Else I am writing. Else what I am writing? Once this is coming to else. Else means what? None type only, na? Search is which type? Unsuccessful. That's all. Try to run this now. Execute this code. Try to run this now. What is happening? Start index, end index, value found, search is successful. I will write it. KVR I am writing. What is the KVR? Not found here. What is the result? Definitely none type, whose value is called a none not equal to none, false. Coming to search is unsuccessful. Execute. Search is what? Unsuccessful. Are you getting me? Suppose now I'm writing, this is a small p, this is called a capital Python here. Is this Python is matching with this? Earlier it was matched 0 to 6, but it is not matching kada. It is matching here. It is a capital P, I will write it. Capital P. This Python is not matching here. 0 to 6 will not come. Like this it will come. Even this is a starting index, ending index. Because string means what? Indexing mechanism. Execute. See the result here. Starting 22, ending is what? 28. 28 minus 22 is called 6 letters only. Actually 27. 27 plus 1 is 28. So it is going to be search is successful. Are you following me? So this is called Python. If I write capital Python, this is a simple example of search is searching for first occurrence only. Execute it and see this now. 0 to 6 only coming. Even though 22, 28, one Python is available, it is not searching. It is searching for only first match occurrence only. Clear or not clear? Clear. This is about search function. What is the difference between find all and then search function? Find all look for all the occurrences, but it won't give you indexes. But a search will give you what? First occurrence only, but it gives indexes also. But what I need today, next what I need, I want all the occurrences plus their indexes also I want. Ante looking for what? Next example. I am looking for like this. Starting index, end index, grouped value. What is that now? 0 to 61 Python, 0 to 61 Python, 22 to 26, one more Python. Like this I want. First match with index, second match with index. Find all will not give, search will not give. Find all will give you only values, but no index. Search will give you what? First match with index. But I want all values, all matching values with indexes. That can be given by the one more function. Shall I explain that? Let's go. Let's go. This concept I will copy. Let us move to the further. Easy students. Under that, now I'm writing regular expression 3.py. Import. Done. And I'm taking here find same example. Look into that. I'm writing re dot find iter. Re dot find iter. Find iteratively. Iteratively means repeatedly. It returns what? Match table. I'm calling it as a match table. Match table just now I written now. 0 to 6 Python, 22 to 26 one Python. That is called match table. The match table is which type? Type of match table object is equal to comma what? Type of MAT tab. I am writing like this. It is going to print what is the type of result of a search function? Either none type or match class type. One more is called what here? Either what is this list type it is returning. But now today what? Match tab is called what? Callable underscore iterator. Callable underscore iterator. You have to remember all these things. Execute. See students, I am going to write it. Try to run this code. See this. Py. What is coming? Find ITR. Okay, I need to write what? SP comma what? GD. Given data. SP. SP comma GD. See students. Now I am getting. What is this now? Callable underscore iterator. Callable underscore iterator. Are you following? Search returns either none type or match type. Find all returns what? List. Find ITR returns what? Callable underscore iterator. These are the hot for the regular expressions. From there, I want to get the data. How do I get the data? Print off. I am saying like this. From there, I want to get. Are you remembering match table entries? Are you having projection? 0 to 6, one Python. 22 to 26, one more Python. Now I want to get the data. How do I get it? For match in match tab. Match tab. Mat in match tab means one entry will come. 0, 6 Python will come in mat. What is the mat? Print of what? Mat. What is the mat? What is the mat? MAT comma type of MAT. What is the type of MAT? It is a match class object. Because one match is coming means it is a match class object. From the match table, one match I am taking. That match is which type? Match class object type. Execute. You will get perfect answer now. You got it. RE dot match object span this like this. RE dot match. Are you following me? Why it is giving like that? Because I am having small p. Now I am writing what? Capital P. Python. Now come on, now execute now. You got it what? 0 to 6, one Python. 22 to 28, one more Python. Both of them are which type? Simple. Everything crystal clear. Then I want to print the data. Here MAT is an object of class, is an object of what? Class, class RE dot match. RE dot match. How do you print it now? Starting index colon. Next is called what? Ending index colon. Next what? Value colon. Value colon. Dot format of what? MAT dot start, comma, MAT dot end, comma, MAT dot group. Group of. I hope you are following. Group of. Execute. Execute this. Try to run. Are you following? Start 0, 6 value. Start 22 value Python. Are you able to follow? This is an output of it. This is related to, suppose if I write some XYZ, XYZ, you see that no more data. If I write an here, an, you are going to get an. See students, we are going to get 10 to 12 one an is there. 18 to 21 an is there. 40 to 44 one an is there. Two letters are there or not? Like this you can say. So what is this now? How many functions are there to search my data? Find all of, search of, find ITER of. Find ITER returns what? Match table, callable underscore iterator object, match class object, and a list return type. In match, there are three functions are there. One is start of, end of, group of. Now I want to show you. There is one more function is there. Sub function is there. Substitution function is there. Right now, don't worry about that. I will explain to you perfectly. Right now, don't worry. So instead of writing that entire stuff, I'll show you one simple explanation for you. So I will show you the students. Go to this place. Here I'm going to take up anything you take it. Regular expression you take it. There I'm having predefined functions in where is it? Okay. Let us start understanding. Come on. The RE module contains the following essential functions. One is find ITR. Syntax. Variable name is equal to RE dot find ITR. Search pattern, comma, given data. Here variable name is an object of type callable underscore iterator. Correct? This function is used for searching the search pattern in the given data iteratively and returns a table of entries which contain starting index, ending index, and matched value based on the search pattern. Are you following? Next, find all. Re.find all, search pattern, comma, given data. Here variable name is an object of class list. This function is used for searching the search pattern in entire given data and file all occurrences matches and returns all the matched values in the form of object list, but not returning start and end index values. Are you following? Next is called what? Search. Variable name is equal to re.search, search pattern, comma, given data. Here variable name is an object of class re.match or none type. When the search match, successful search. When none type, unsuccessful search. This function is used for searching search pattern in given data for first occurrence or match only, but not other occurrences or matches. If the search pattern found in given data and it returns an object of match class which contains a matched value and start index, end index values and indicate search is successful. If the search pattern not found any given data, then it returns a none, which is of type none type, and it indicates search is unsuccessful. Next, group. This function is used for obtaining the matched value by the find ITR or search. In the case of these two places only, I will apply what? Group. This function present in the match class of RE module. Match object dot group returns the value. Understand? Next, start. This function is used for obtaining the starting index of matched value. This function present in match class of RE module. Variable name is equal to match object dot start of. End also used for obtaining the end index plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6 of matched value. This function present in the match class object of RE module. Match object dot end of. It returns what? Variable name. This substitute function I will explain students right now, don't worry. Because this is not necessary. It is an important, but at present don't worry because I need to talk about predefined character classes, predefined Programmer defined character classes I need to speak. That's why I'm not talking immediately. Are you able to follow now? This is related to what? Predefined functions in module. So what are the predefined functions present in RE module? Find ITR, find all, search of, match of, no, start of, end of, group of, group of. They are the main functions in which module? RE module. Are you able to follow? So that corresponding examples, if you look into that, regular expressions, applications of it, definition of regular expression, RE module, and then functions in RE module, that is the programming examples we have done it. Understand? Huh? So next we need to go for what? Programmer defined character classes. So that we will go to next class, we'll discuss because it's a bigger topic. It is 1 hour 45 minutes it will take. The bigger class concept. Even if I introduce, that will be in the only few minutes I can talk. Only 10 minutes is left. So that I will explain on Wednesday. Wednesday is the class, and one more holiday also you will come across, students. Tomorrow is a holiday. Anyhow, I informed you. Tomorrow is a holiday. Intimated. One more holiday also will come. Ramjan also one more holiday will be there. So Wednesday, maybe based on the moon, they will declare. Institute will declare the holiday. That day also. That's why Institute was taken morning. Yesterday we took morning classes. So one more holiday is also there for Ramjan. Tomorrow holiday on account of Telugu New Year, not December 31st New Year. Don't do any such mistakes. So tomorrow, new different New Year. And Syed Noor, probably when it will be, ma'am? When it will be? Probably. Hmm? Giridhar, probably maybe Thursday, I think so. Maybe Thursday, I think so. 6 p.m. slot, they are already filled with Python for Monday. Okay. Alam, don't know. Okay. Okay. 11th, sir. Okay. Ajit Baba, 11th. Maybe 11th means Thursday. So based on that, Jarina, but in USA, Ramadan in Wednesday. Okay. Okay, ma. Depends on, okay. Noor. Okay. Saudi Arabia, Eid. Okay. So anyhow, that will be declared one day before, and that holiday also one more holiday will be there. And this Wednesday class, I'll go for what? Programmer defined character classes. I will introduce. Don't miss the Wednesday class. Very, very important session. And one more thing is 16th, 15th, one more new batch Python is starting. The moment when your batch is over, one more new batch is starting. You join once again there because you are forgetting who is compiling Python program also. Python program compilation also you don't know. Daily you will come and sit in front of me. Huh? Careless, negligence, I don't know what is that. Reading notes or not, I don't know. Anyhow, students, take care. And hmm, Mayank, if you teach Hindi, sir, I will join even without thinking, sir. I don't know Hindi. That is the main problem. I know, but I can't speak out. One-way traffic, that is. Pooja, yes, ma. Thank you, ma. Thank you. So, thank you, Pooja. So, thank you, Pooja. So, I will convey my students' message to her. Okay? Right, ma. Pooja, thank you. Okay, students, I'll stop my class. Tomorrow class, not there. Wednesday, we'll meet and we'll go for it. Yeah, Giridharan, thank you. Srivani, happy Ugadi ma for all of you. Happy Ugadi for everybody. Advance. Okay, thank you. All the best for you also. Read well. Try to learn some new things tomorrow. Read the notes morning to evening tomorrow. Thank you, students. All the best. Any more doubts are there for you? You can ask me the doubts on today's class. Shankar Mallikarjuna. Thank you, ma. Wish you the same. Ananya, please teach Django, sir. Ma will look into that. So depends on the institute what they start. I used to take up that class, my dear students. Anjali, yes, ma. Django, all of them are asking. Depends on the institute what they start. I will take that batch, ma. Any more doubts, students, on this area, on this topic, what we discussed it? So no more doubts, huh? Okay, students, now I will upload the notes and download it and read well tomorrow. Thank you, students. All the best.